Okay. All right. So today I'm adding my brackets and plates for the generator part. So my drill went dead on me, so I'm charging it now. But I'm gonna drill these out, and I don't know if I can mount them today because I still have to work the plates. I got almost all the holes drilled. I got to do a pattern for the generator. It's actually a motor, but I'm making it a generator. I got to 3D print a pattern, that way I ain't got to fight it. I can drill the holes real easy with pilots. I like to 3D print a template. I'll set the template where I want it because it'll be made to where it's easy to center, and then I'll tape it, and then I'll either use my automatic punch, a hole for the punch to punch into the plastic that I'm drilling, or I'll just drill straight through the template because the template will have a hole. So that works real well. And by the way, when I say I don't measure, if I said I didn't measure something, I'm serious. I actually didn't measure it, and that's the evidence of that. I had to move that because I didn't measure anything. And everything I built today, I didn't measure, and it's a bad habit. I've just been doing this so long. I can look at it and get close, and man, was I close there? Because you'll see when it's done. But there's basically a brace bracket that goes across the top of my plates where the generators will be inside. And I just made it. I thought that would probably work. I think it's like 11 total. It was like 11 and 7/16, and I was trying to miss the center beam with the holes, and I still missed them, but barely. You can see there because it's lined up with the hitch. There's another beam under it that's welded. You can kind of see where I tack welded it to the plate. That way it stiffens the plate. It makes it to where it's a lot stiffer. Doesn't vibrate as much. And then I'll see if this thing needs a cross member under it. I'll put one. I don't think it will because this small plate is going to be pretty rigid. I don't think it'll need it because this one vibrates. This one vibrates bad. That's one thing I don't like about it, is it's probably unbalanced. I might eventually open it to see what's going on. Like, is something crazy out of not machined right, or what's going on? Like, why is it vibrate like that? And that black one doesn't vibrate at all like that. It's balanced. This one doesn't feel balanced. It feels like either the crank or something's not balanced right. I might be able to balance it, so I'll look into that when the time comes. But anyway, I'll update y'all. And I made a video yesterday, but I realized it was kind of conglomerated, and I revealed some stuff I wasn't sure about, so I'll have to remake that, and I'll put the same stuff in there, but I'm gonna probably go about it a little different. But yeah, anyway, all right, hope y'all enjoy that. That's how I'm marking. Those angles are gonna hold the plates right here, and the plates will have the motors mounted inside. It'll be clear Lexan, so you can see it. I'm only doing that so you can see it. Otherwise I wouldn't care, because there's going to be an enclosure over this whole thing, and then there'll be a fuel tank probably here. It'll probably only be a 3-gallon. I'm not going to do a big one. This needs to be light, so that's why I'm doing it this way. It needs to be able to 2 people pick it up, or 2 men, or 2 women, doesn't matter. It's going to weigh a finished probably about 130 pounds total. And it's got 2 good handles, so it shouldn't be hard for 2 people to pick it up. I mean, it'll be a little heavy, but you don't have to go high, and you're able to rock that into the hitch, because I fixed it. I sanded it down to where it actually fits now, and then I got my chains fixed a little better. But yeah, and it's got a locked hitch, of course, so it'd be real hard to steal this. You'd be over here for a while trying to get this off the car, including the bolts, because I got the bolts pretty tight on the motor. But and I don't worry about it anyway, man, because that's only it's less than $200 shipped. I mean, it's not like a huge loss if someone did happen to want to steal it for some reason, even though there's nothing on it.